Bangladesh has marked a new chapter in its aviation history, ushering in a transformative era for its air power capabilities. With the announcement that Lalmonirhat Airbase is now fully operational, ready to take on new challenges and missions. This airbase, strategically located in northern Bangladesh, is poised to significantly bolster the nation's defense capabilities, providing a crucial advantage in regional security. The operationalization of this airbase is a testament to Bangladesh's commitment to modernizing its armed forces and ensuring national security. It represents a significant milestone in the country's defense strategy. The airbase will serve as a vital link in securing Bangladesh's airspace, enhancing surveillance and response times. It will also enhance the country's ability to respond swiftly and effectively to any potential threats, ensuring readiness and resilience. The government's decision to invest in this critical infrastructure underscores its dedication to safeguarding its borders and its people. This move highlights a forward-thinking approach to national defense and security. The strategic importance of Lalmonirhat Airbase cannot be overstated. Positioned in the northern part of Bangladesh, it provides a crucial advantage in monitoring and safeguarding the country's borders with India. This region, known for its lush greenery and proximity to the Himalayas, is of significant geopolitical importance. The airbase's location allows for quicker response times to any potential incursions or security threats. Furthermore, it strengthens Bangladesh's air defense network, creating a more robust deterrent against any potential adversaries. The addition of Lalmonirhat Airbase to Bangladesh's defense infrastructure opens up exciting possibilities for the acquisition of new, state-of-the-art aircraft. Modern fighter jets, equipped with advanced technology, would significantly enhance Bangladesh's air power projection capabilities. These aircraft would not only bolster national defense, but also contribute to regional stability. The acquisition of new aircraft would modernize the Bangladesh Air Force fleet, allowing it to keep pace with advancements in aviation technology. Section 4. A legacy rekindled. Lalmonirhat Airbase through time. Lalmonirhat Airbase has a rich history dating back to the Second World War. Established in the early 1940s, it quickly became a pivotal location for military operations. It served as a crucial supply point for Allied forces operating in the region. The airbase was bustling with activity, with aircraft constantly arriving and departing. The airbase played a vital role in the airlift of supplies and personnel, supporting the war effort in the China-Burma-India theater. It was a lifeline for troops on the front lines. However, the airbase gradually fell into disuse after the war. The once bustling runways and hangars became silent, a shadow of their former glory. The recent renovation and modernization efforts have breathed new life into this historic site. Extensive work has been done to restore the airbase to its former operational status. This revitalization is not just about bricks and mortar, it's about honoring the past while securing the future. The airbase now stands as a testament to its storied history and a beacon for future generations. Section 5. A safer tomorrow. National defense and local prosperity. The establishment of the Lalmonirhat Airbase marks a pivotal moment in the nation's journey towards enhanced security and economic prosperity. The operationalization of Lalmonirhat Airbase is a significant step towards a safer and more prosperous future for Bangladesh. This airbase will serve as a critical hub for national defense, ensuring the safety and security of our skies. The enhanced security provided by the airbase will foster an environment of stability, essential for economic growth and development. With increased security measures, businesses can operate with confidence, knowing that their investments are protected. Moreover, the airbase is expected to create numerous job opportunities, boosting the local economy. From construction workers to technical staff, the airbase will employ a diverse range of professionals, providing livelihoods to many families. This will have a positive ripple effect on the surrounding communities, leading to improved living standards. Local businesses will thrive as the demand for goods and services increases, creating a vibrant and dynamic local economy. The presence of the airbase will also attract investments in infrastructure and other sectors, further contributing to regional development. Improved roads, schools and healthcare facilities will emerge, enhancing the quality of life for residents and fostering a brighter future for all.